Hello everyone, you are welcome again to our YouTube channel. And in this video I am going to tell you about the difference between the fluency and the accent. Why it is so much important while speaking any language. Okay, it could be anything. Mean if you are learning French, English, Hindi, any language you are learning, you must keep in your mind which is how it is arranged. Okay, and which is more important and how it must be arranged. So let me explain you how it is different from each other and how it must be arranged while speaking any of the language. So first we talk about the word fluency. What is fluency? Many of the people who are watching my video, they must be knowing that what is the meaning of fluency. Fluency means how much pace you are speaking any line. Okay, if you are speed up to speak any of the language, that means you are acquiring the fluency in your speaking. For example, many of the students, okay, there are two kinds of students when they are learning any language, when they join any institute. So what they focus upon speaking the lines very fastly. Okay, mean how fluently, so that they consider that they have the perception that if they can speak any of the line very fast, that means they are the better speaker, they will be considered as the better speaker for the people. But that is absolutely a wrong perception, because what I am going to tell you, that accent is more important than your fluency. Okay, fluency is the second step, not your first step. Most of the people make this mistake, they start focusing upon the fluency first, but that is not very much important. Okay, the thing that is most important is your accent. So first of all you must focus upon your accent. Okay, let me also explain you what is accent. When you are pronouncing a word correctly, or in the native speaker, like the native speaker, if you are pronouncing the word correctly, so that means you are improving your accent. Okay, so acquiring the same kind of accent, same kind of sound as their native speaker speak. Okay, so that is become more important for improving your communication skills. And what kind of problems you can generally face when you don't have the proper accent? Okay, suppose that in India many of the people are learning English, but when they are speaking with their colleagues, okay, who are already Indian or who are also Indian born people, so they are, if they are not using the correct pronunciation of the word, so that will be working over there. But if you are getting the chance to meet to a native speaker of English, for example Western Australian people or Britishers, then you will realize that they will facing a lot of problem in order to understand your lines, your languages. And why this problem arises? Because of your accent. You haven't focused upon your accent more, that is why you will face this problem. So that's the reason why I am recommending you, first you focus upon your accent. Okay, and there are many dictionaries. Okay, there in the modern time there are many dictionaries. You can use the advanced technology which will tell you about the right accent of any word. You can learn from them, you can do that in your practical life, and by practicing you can get the command over that. And later on what you will find, then you focus upon the fluency, and in this way you can be a master of your language. So that is the recommendation from my side, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, so don't forget to share the video and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.